Hi everyone, Jason Ayala here, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to share a file, a Google file, that is in a shared Google Drive. It is just not as necessarily straightforward as doing it with a document in your own drive, especially if you want to share it externally outside of your own network. So I'm in this file and I want to share it outside of my own district, and this is in a shared file. So I start by clicking the share button, same as normal, but then I get to this box that looks much different, as you'll notice, than the sharing dialog box that comes up with files in your own drive. So we start by clicking who has access, and we notice right away that the link sharing is off. So what I do is I click on this drop down to open it, and then I click to turn on link sharing. And what that'll do automatically is share it with anybody in my own network, in this case Edmond School District, that has the link. But down below I see that there's a checkbox to allow external access. I need to make sure I click that if I'm going to have people outside of my own domain look at this document. Then I can click done, and the sharing is much more global and people outside of the network can view this. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.